back to another video. If you don't know me, my name is Dazzlin, and here on my channel I make travel and hair care content to make your life easier through my life experiences. So if you haven't, make sure to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss another video. So as you can see, we have changed locations. Okay, if this is the first video that you're watching, make sure to rewind and go check out the rest of this Italy series. I was just in Sorrento, Capri, and I just got here to Positano about an hour ago. So it's a full-on series. If you guys are going to Italy, definitely make sure to check that out. But if you have been watching and tagging along for the entire journey, we are back, okay? And we're in Positano. Like, look at this view. I can't. It looks like a postcard. So we just got off the ferry. It was about 23 euros to get here from Capri. We'll be here for the next 3 days. So I will be taking you through my next 3 days and 3 nights here in Positano. If you guys are interested, keep on watching. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready for dinner, or maybe not because I'm a little tired. We have been traveling all day. The ferry was actually really quick. The ferry was only like a 20-minute ferry ride, but I just think the whole like process of like island hopping and taking ferries, it's not difficult. It should be easier for you guys because we already went through the mission, but definitely drains you a little bit. And when you get to a new location on the first day, you want to make sure that you're like chill, relaxed, maybe just go get some dinner and walk around. But here, let me just tell you, everybody dresses up. Everybody gets really cute. Not even cute, everybody goes all out for dinner. So I think today's just gonna be my I don't really care day. I just want to eat and like be in good vibes and just be in awe in everything that there is here in Positano. Definitely keep that in mind when you are coming. Everybody is dressed to the nines, okay? Italy is definitely a place to pop out, for sure. And one thing top of mind that I do want to say for my girlies out there, leave the heels at home, okay? I know you think it's cute. I know, oh, it's gonna go with the fit, it's gonna go with the pics. No, leave the heels at home, girl. Leave the heels at home because there's so many hills and there's so much cobblestone. You want to be in sandals, you want to be comfortable, but definitely like take the opportunity to pop out and live it up and dress cute because you're in Italy. Let me just say, if you're still here from watching this entire series with me or any of my travel videos at all, let me just say thank you so much. Your support means everything. It means the world. Guys, I do these videos because I truly want to inspire people to travel, and I just want to share my experiences because I know there's people out there like me that need to know every single detail, need to know how everything works because you want to be prepared when you go on your trip so you can have the best time ever, right? So these are for you. These are truly for you guys, and I really take the time to stop and get the nitty gritty and make sure that everything that I would want to know when I'm going to a new location, I give to you guys. So if you guys can, leave a like, share with a friend, share with the group chat of girls or guys that have been chatting about, oh, let's take a trip. Send them this video so you guys could finally book those tickets and get on that trip. It really helps me keep on making these videos for you guys. And even if you guys didn't, I'm still gonna put out the content for you because I'm a real one and your girl got you. I'm gonna keep you guys posted with the rest of the festivities for the last leg of my trip. I'm so sad because Italy has been a dream, but it is wrapping up and coming to an end. Okay, that's enough catching up for now. I'm gonna take you guys along with me for the rest of the night and catch up with you a little bit later. Bye. If you guys are interested in seeing a full extensive review of this restaurant that we actually ended up going to dinner for, make sure to go check out my other video where I do an in-depth walkthrough of the 2 best restaurants that have plant-based and vegan options in Positano. But let me just say, the food was top tier. It was definitely more of a bougie culinary experience. Nevertheless, it did not disappoint. So if you're in Positano, I highly recommend. We ate swell this night, and then after, we just went back to the hotel after a long day of traveling and got to decompress. Starting off the next day, we actually just kept it pretty chill and light, and we decided to do some walking around Positano. Around this time of year, it was relatively busy, and with the narrow streets, they were a bit packed. So I would just keep in mind when you're thinking about traveling, definitely try to go on an off season or right before or right after busy season, because this was right before the peak of summer and it was definitely a little bit more crowded than I would have expected. But you can really just go out in Positano and walk the winding streets. There's so many beautiful shops and artisanal stores, food vendors, restaurants. So really, when you're in Positano, that's all there is to do. It's beach, sleep, eat, and shop, or walk around and explore. Guys, so I'm on the hunt. I'm literally running around Positano because I found this gorgeous jewelry store. It's called, I don't even know what it's called. I'm not gonna destroy the name. They are beautiful, but basically they have like these Positano custom made jewelry pieces that they use the sea glass that they find here to make. And every time I travel, I try to get like an artisanal custom piece of jewelry, and it's usually a ring. So there's 3 shops here in Positano, and I've been running around to each of them, but I think I found the one that I'm gonna get, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna show you guys. This is it. So pretty. So it's Positano sea glass, and every piece is unique because they just make them with the pieces that they find. So now I have my Positano ring, my Greece ring, Paris ring. This one was custom made that they sent to me. And my Barcelona ring isn't currently on right now. I have to send it for it to get repaired. So pretty. I definitely recommend if you guys are in Positano. They have 3 shops here. There's one on the beach, there's one in the middle of Positano, and then there's one all the way at the top, and they all have different pieces. If you're looking for something unique, definitely check it out. Something also too to keep in mind is that they do tax refund. If you end up making purchases that are over like 100, 200 euros that happen to be like luxury or a little bit more expensive, they have a tax refund option where you can ask at the stores or boutiques for a receipt and a tax form, and then at the airport you can get tax-free money back from the purchases that you made. But you can definitely get a good chunk of money back at the airport. So I would highly recommend, if you're going to go splurge shopping, make sure to ask for that tax form so you don't leave money on the table. The ring that I specifically got was 128, so 128 euros, and then converted into US was 148. But with the tax refund, she said I could get about 20 euros back. So it's definitely something to think about if you're going to shop a lot, because that's definitely going to add up. Just remember, in order to do the tax refund, you will need either a picture of your passport or your actual passport to be able to get the tax form in the store. So if you're going to go shopping, bring a picture of your passport or your actual passport so you can save some money. But now that I'm done shopping, well, I don't know if I'm done shopping, but now that I'm done shopping for now, I'm actually heading to Chez for lunch. We have a reservation for 1. It is 1:20. Casually running late per usual on vacation, but are just gonna spend the day looking around, sightseeing, window shopping, eating, and then maybe ending up at the beach. So if you guys are still watching, thank you. I hope you guys are enjoying the Positano vibes because it is beautiful here. It's hot. Just be prepared. And this is in June, mid-June, and it's like 90 degrees. So July, August, people, I'm praying for you. I'm praying for you. So for lunch, we actually decided to go to the famous restaurant Chez. The food was out of this world. Honestly, any restaurant you go to in Positano will meet your expectations, but this was highly recommended and the food did not disappoint. And most of the restaurants in Italy usually have a famous wall where they have pictures of different artists, celebrities that come, and I guess this was Denzel Washington's favorite restaurant because I saw his face like 5 times, but let me tell you, I understand why. The pasta was incredible and the service was so good, so definitely make sure to try to check out this restaurant as well. And then after lunch, again, we did a little stroll in the midtown of Positano, visited some shops, and just took in the rest of the day. Kept it really calm. When you come here, there's going to be a lot of downtime and a lot of time for leisure, so I wouldn't jam-pack your day with a heavy schedule. Just definitely wake up when you're ready and go explore the town. If you guys have any questions at all, want to know any specifics, advice, want to know how to prepare, want to know where to stay, definitely make sure to go check out my videos of the accommodations for your Positano trip. So definitely go make sure to check those out on my channel. And guys, I have one ask, just one little favor. If there's anything that you guys specifically want to know where you're like, man, I love watching these travel videos and I'm really excited about this place, but I wish they would talk about blank, or none of the videos that I watch show blank, let me know in the comments. I am here to really make sure that you guys have the most seamless experience ever, and I want to make sure that I'm providing valuable content that really helps you when you're planning your trip and helps you get excited about your trip. Subscribing and liking is the #1 way you can help me on my content creator journey, help support me so I can keep making this content and these videos for you guys. So if you haven't, make sure to turn on your post notifications, make sure to hit that like, make sure to subscribe. But thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.